Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anissa Maeswaria Kemargamanto from Waste Treatment Engineering 1B. In here, I will explain how to properly use a manual sewing machine. The first thing we have to do is open the top cover of the sewing machine and then remove the machine onto the sewing machine table. When it's done, then attach the wheel strap and adjust the position of the sewing machine feet. Insert the spool into the thread winder until it reaches the protruding part of the wire. Then press off the thread roller down so that the bobbin cannot come off. Attach the thread to the pole until the spool or spool. Then fill the spool by stepping on the bottom to move the sewing machine. After it is full, remove the spool from the thread winder. Adjust the thread tension on the machine. There are two on the left of the sewing machine and the second is on the left bolt screw. The bigger the number, the tighter. The number on the right side of the machine are for selecting the length of the short or tight fit. If the back of the stitch is raised to the top once, then the stitch will go back. This can be used to strengthen the end of the stitch. In the installation of the sewing needle, it must fit properly so as not to cause the stitches to jump and the thread to break. Then we can attach the spool to the lifeboat by means of the spool already filled with thread on the lifeboat, with the end of the thread wrapped around the skin of the thread in a clockwise direction and leaving a little thread tip of approximately 10 cm to be tucked into the slits of the lifeboat. To install the lifeboat in the lifeboat housing by holding the end of the lifeboat lever so that the spool does not come off. Open the lifeboat lid, then insert the lifeboat by holding the end of the lever. The end of the handle of the lifeboat is facing up and the entry must fit and make a click. Then attach the sewing thread by following the direction of the thread from the top of the sewing needle. After that, remove the bottom thread by raising the sewing needle. After that, we can sew. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.